We'll begin the class in like maximum 3 minutes. Let them join. Hello to everyone. Hello Shivani, Srikaran, Lokesh, Jyotika. We'll start our class and kindly just keep your notebooks and all with you because today is not only about the PYQ discussion. Today is like uh, answer writing in the given allotted time. Okay, so it is very mandatory just to keep the notebook and pen with you because you will only solve. I will also solve with you, but you have to solve first. Keep the notebooks and all with you, everyone. Shall we begin the class? It's like time is 8 p.m. Okay, so let's begin the class. Let the others join. Yeah, fine. Let me share the screen first, then let me know the things and all is visible or not. Okay. Okay, let me know the screen is visible and audio and all everything. And this things are visible on the board. Everything is visible. Let me know clearly. Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, so let's begin. Just keep the things with you, everyone. Notebook, pen, everything ready. Today will be the class for, you can see in the thumbnail also, the class will be for the PYQs discussion for the first chapter, which is what? Real numbers. Okay, so let me just complete this one in the 1 minute and all. What we will discuss today, things are what, whatever sections we have, like section A, which mean MCQ. Okay, that means 1 marks questions. Okay, section B, this is like short answer type, so this is of 2 marks. And the last one is what, section C, which is of uh, long answers, which is of 3 marks. Okay, mainly this real number deals with these sections only. In the 5 marks category, like it never comes. So letter bet it, like 5 marks category, leave it as it is. 3 marks problem, 2 marks, and the 3 mark sections only it's come. Okay, and let me approach this one also. Today's MCQs will be like, total MCQs will be 5 questions, which mean maximum you will take 1.30 minutes for each question. Okay, for section B, which mean SA category, we will discuss 3 questions total. Maximum you have to keep as, let's take 12 minutes. Okay, which mean 3 minutes, I mean 3 to 4 minutes. Let's keep 4 minutes better. 4 minutes for each one. And the last one is long answer type, which is 3 marks. Again, in this one, 3 questions will be there, and you will take maximum 6 minutes to complete each one. Keep in mind, this much minute only will be allotted for every sections. Okay, so shall we begin? Let's check like others joined or not. 16 members only. Fine. Let's continue the class then. Let's other join. Okay, so just look into the things and all what we have to do here. Today only this real numbers is there, in which section A, section B, section C is only there. Okay, 1 marks, 2 marks, and 3 marks. Okay, let's continue with this one now. Let's approach the first question. Let's continue. MCQs will discuss total 5 questions. Okay, and 2 marks question, total 3 questions, and this will be total 3 questions, which means total minute will, how much we are taking. Totally hardly it will go for like 45 minutes maximum to 2.5 hours. Okay. Okay, let's begin then. The class will be not that much of longer one. Don't worry about this. Okay, let's begin then. Be ready with your pen and notebooks and all. We are putting on the first question. Okay, everyone, approach this question now. Start. MCQ first one. Copy this now. The question is the ratio of HCF to LCM of least composite number and the least prime number. The time will start after writing the question. Okay, the ratio of HCF by LCM of least composite number and the least prime number is. Options are given. You can start your answer and you can just put the answers in the comment sections. Okay, 2:1. C option is 1:1, and the last D option is 3:3. Now you have, everyone, you have to maximum 1.5 minutes between 90 seconds to get the answer. Start your answers now. You have 90 seconds. Start your answers. Maximum 90 seconds. Okay, you can start your own answer. I will also start my own answer. Okay, otherwise if we will do like in a separate times and all, the classes will be longer one. Better I will also solve, you also solve. Copy this and start your answers. No need to copy the whole question, just copy the things and all which is given in the question. Just copy in your notebook and start your answer. Here least composite number will be 4 and least prime number will be, as per the discussion we know this, it is 2. Okay, HCF will be what? HCF will be, let me figure out the HCF first. HCF we are writing here this side. Okay, for 4 what we can write? 2 into 2, and 2 is what? Only 2. So pair of 2 is there, so answer is 2 here. Okay, now when it comes to LCM, what it mean? How many LCM of this one will be? Let's figure out this. 4 comma 2, 2 and 1, and then 2 1 1. Okay, so 2 into 2 become 4. Okay, HCF is 4, LCM is, I mean sorry, HCF is 2, LCM is 4. Answer anyone? Let me check. 1:2. Okay, option A. Okay, so good. Those who got this one, HCF by LCM, you have to focus. Put the values now. 2 by 4, cancel out. You'll get 1/2. That's all. That is answer. Which means option A is the correct one. Those who got the option A, that is the correct one. Okay, let's switch to next one now. We will not waste each in like single second also. Okay. Next one. If you want the question again to be copied and all, just stop the video and you can just copy it. Okay, question number 2. Start the answers now. The exponent of whatever questions we are discussing, that all are from the previous question only. The exponent of 5 in the prime factorization of 3750 is. Options I'm giving you: 3, option B 4, option C is 5, and option D is 6. Do the prime factorization of this number, you'll get the answer. Do it. The question asking about what will come as a 5 power. That is the question asking about. Okay, exponent of 5. Exponent stands for that power only. Figure out the answers, everyone. Figure out. Figure out of this one. I will also start my answers. We should not waste each like single second also. So let better I will also write. You will also write. Just write honestly your answer. Don't copy it from the screen board and all. Okay, here we can approach by 5. So it will be like 7 and 5 and 0. Next we can again apply 5. It will be 1. It will be 5 and 0. Next we can apply 30. It will come. Next I will apply 6. And next will be what? 2 table 3 and 3 1. Okay, anybody got the answer? Let me check. Anybody got the answer? G1 is C option. C. Power is 5. Option B. Okay, those who got as option number B, that is the correct one. See this. Why it is option B? You write the things here as it is. 2 into 3. Now check this. How many times 5 we have? 4 times now. So we can write 5 to the power 4. Now the exponent becomes what? 4 only. That is answer question asking about. Okay. This questions came for 1 marks, which is of 2021 paper. You can check through this. Okay, next one. Question number 3 now. Switch to next one. No need to copy the questions and all, okay? Just you better directly write the answers. Okay, next. Copy this. What is the greatest possible speed? This is actually a word problem at which a girl can walk 95 meter and 171 meter in an exact number of minutes. Okay, let me give the option first. 17. Option B is, oh, let me erase it first. Option B is 19. Option C is 23. And the last one, option D, is 13. Check this out, everyone. Here the question actually it is asking about the greatest number. As you know, greatest stands for what, right? Figure out the answers. Greatest stands for what will come, just figure out that one. Start your answers. Anybody got the answer of this? Charita, B option. You do one thing now. Whatever you will answer now, keep the question number also and then answer it. Okay, like question number 3, answer this one. Otherwise, like it is getting confusing and all. Like which question you're talking about. Okay, I will also start my answers also. Answer here. First, let me write. Then I will switch back and I will see. Okay, greatest stands for, we know this. It is a HCF. Greatest stands for this only. Greatest or largest something will come. This means HCF, something big and all. Okay, and here HCF, so do the factorization of this. Here apply 5 table, and this will be 1 and 19, then 19 1. I hope this is clear. Then we have 175. Okay, oh sorry, 171 now. 171. For 171, what we can apply? Anyone? 3 table can we apply? 3 table apply, you have to be 5 and 7. For 57, what we can apply? Again 3 table, it will be 1 and 19, then 19 1. Okay, write the factors down. 95 factors are what? 5 into 19. And 171 factors what? 3 into 3 into 19. If you will see, we have a pair of 19, so that is the answer. So HCF is what? 19, which means option number B. Let me check how many of you gone the correct one. 3, 19. Fine. Okay. Everyone is getting the same answers. Correct. Mention the question number. Okay. I'm getting confused by like that one. Okay. Next one. We have question number 4 now. Question number 4 is like this. Write down the HCF and the LCM of. We are like giving you a very easy one. Figure out this options we are plotting it. HCF and LCM of 21. Sorry. One second. Just make a change here. It is 12 here. Okay. 12, 21, 15. Options we are allotting it. 3, 140. B is 12, 420. C is 3, 420, and the last one 420, 3. Figure out this one. HCF and the LCM value. Okay. Figure out, everyone. Answers. I will also start. You will also just continue. Okay. First, we have to find the HCF. So HCF, this area will write 12 LCF. Will apply 6, then 3, then 3 1. Okay. Next 21 we have. So again apply 3 7 7 1. Okay. Last one is 15. 3 apply 5, then 5 1. Okay. If we will see, there is only common, which is what? 3 is the common for all. HCF become 3. Okay, first thing is done. Let me check anybody is done with this answer. Saroj, need see any option. Mollesri C. Okay, 420. Okay, let me check the LCM first. LCM will be 12, 21, and 15. Okay, there is only single number which can apply for the both. It is a 3 table, which is what, 4 times, then 7 times. This is 5 times. Okay, for this one we can do, make it shorter this way. Okay, later we can do only what, we can apply by the same numbers, right? So multiply now. 3 into 2 will be 6. 6 into 2 will be 12. 12 into 5 will be 60, and 60 into 7 become 420. Okay, good. Those who got the answer like this one, that is the correct one. Okay, 3 comma 420. Don't keep 4 comma 420 comma 3. Okay, because here in this question we'll see HCF is the first one and the LCM. Okay, so this should be the HCF value comma LCM value. Okay, that is the case. Correct? Yeah. Okay, correct, Jiman. Yeah, good. You're mentioning that one. Fine. Okay, let's go to the last one. Last MCQ for this. Fifth number. Figure out this one. Next is the last one. The total number of. Oh, wait. Just let me erase. Okay, total number of prime. Total number of factor of. Wait, let me write. Total number of factor of a prime number is. The total number of factor of a prime number is, options are given. A is 1, B option is 0, C option is 2, and the last option is 3. Figure out this, everyone. Total number of factors, it is like a verbal question only, it is no need to write this one. Anybody? Fifth Roman, what is option? 2, correct. Only one answer, we got it. Any else? Anybody else? Total number of factor of a prime numbers. Prime numbers, it should be a common one. For example, see, maybe you will getting confused at what the question is talking about. Let's take a prime number which is 5. Factor will be 1 and 5 only, right? Same way, let's take a this one 7. Let's take 7, it will be 1 7. Let's take 11, it will be 1 11. How many factors we are getting? Here is 2 factors, here is 2 factors, here is 2 factors. So what is the common factor here? Yes, correct. Yeah, so option C will be correct one. I hope this is clear. And this question came actually for 2020 paper. This particular question MCQs. Okay, understood the question now? Let's switch to the section number B for the 2 marks. Okay, be ready. In that one, you will get maximum 4 minutes to answer it. Okay, maximum 4 minutes. Now let's talk about the section B, which is of 2 marks each. We'll figure out 3 questions at least. Okay, the first one. Try this, everyone. 2 numbers. In this one, you need to write a kind of brief answer according to the 2 marks. Okay, don't write that much of brief that it is including in like 1.5 page or 1 page like this. Maximum 6 to 7 lines answer maximum. Okay, are in the ratio 2:3, and their LCM is 180. Full stop. Find what is the HCF. Okay, we kept the question, just do it properly. Okay, 2 numbers are in ratio which is 2:3, and LCM is allotted here. Just figure out the HCF now. Figure out, everyone. How to solve this? Figure out. Okay, as per the discussion and all, we know that if ratio will come, we have to attach a variable with that, right? So what you write? Let assume the numbers numbers be what? 2x and 3x, correct? It is 2 is to 3, that's fine. 2x and 3x will come. Next, what we can write? Anyone? Anybody have answer of this? What is LCF? LCM is 30. Okay. LCM is 30. No. LCM is given. Jivan. LCM is given. 180 here. LCM is given. HCF is 30. Now, if you will answer it. HCF is 30. Yeah. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. So here, what to do here? See, first step, what we can do? Multiply this. Okay. So how to multiply? 2 into 3 into x will multiply. You will get what? 6x. Don't keep here also x and here also x, because it will be x square. That is not a case. So 2 into 3x, so 6x will come. Now just 6x, do what? 6x equate with LCM. What is LCM value? 180. X value what we got? 180 divided by 6. Cancel out. What will come? 30. That is the answer. This way you can figure out the answers. Same answers, everyone? Yeah. If you want to cross check this one, you can keep it and you can cross check. For example, x is the value of this one, right? So 2x become what? 2 into 30 become 60. And actually the question was asking about HCF. This is only we can keep it as an answer, but still let's figure out 3x equal to 3 into 30. What is that? 90. Let's do the cross check. Okay, the formula you know now, LCM into HCF is what? Product of number. Okay, that side will be not visible now. Okay, let me write this side. LCM into HCF will be what? Product of number. Now keep the values. LCM is what? 180. HCF as it is. Okay, here product, what you'll write? What are the two numbers here which we got? 60 and 90. Keep it. 60 into 90. Now HCF will be what? So 180 divided by 60 into 90. Cancel out 2 times. Now what will come? Okay, 180 will go down, right? Yeah. Just I went wrong. Here 180 will go down. Just 2 minutes. Yeah, 60 into 90 divided by 180. Yeah, this is correct one. 2 times cancel out. It will be coming 30. See, 30 is the answer. That's all. Those who got 30, that is the correct one. Yeah, it is correct one. Yeah. No need of reciprocal. I kept the 180 below. Yeah, see, there is a complete answer for this 2 marks and all. Okay. Now let's switch to the next one. Question number 2. If you want to see the things and all, if you want to copy, you can just stop the video and you can check. Question number 2. Or better is you just leave. Later you just watch the videos and all. Okay. Now question number 2 will be, check this. 2 tankers. It is TWO. 2 tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of petrol. Okay, find the maximum capacity of, find the maximum capacity of container. Figure out, everyone. Word maximum is used here, so what to do? Just figure out. Maximum is used here. Figure out answers. 2 tankers contain 850L and 680 liter of petrol. Find the maximum capacity of containers. Figure out answers. Aniket Kashyap. Who is this Aniket Kashyap? Figure out. Maximum stands for, as per the discussion, we know this. What is that? HCF, correct? So figure out 850 HCF. It will come for what? 5 table. First 170. Next again, what we can apply? It will be coming off 3 and 4. Next we can do what? 2 table, which will be 17, 17, 1. Yeah, 850 done. Now do for 680. We can apply again 5 table. So this will be 6 times, then 2 table. It will be this one, then again 34, then again 17, then the last one 17, 1. Anybody got the answer of this? Yeah, 170, fine. Okay, so let me write my answer also. Okay, this one done. 5 and 5 is common here, and 2 is common here, and 17 is common here, right? So the things will come what? 5 into 2 into 17, it will come what? 170. But write the concluding statement here, okay? So the maximum, because it is a word problem, maximum capacity of containers included in answers container is 170. Finish it off. 170 what? What should be the unit? What should be the unit? 170 what? Anyone? What should be the unit? Unit. What you kept as a unit in the answer? 170 what? Nobody. Yeah, obviously liter. Why are you asking for the question mark and all? Obviously both are in liter, Ayan. Answer should come in what? Liters only, na? So just keep liter. That's all. Okay, did you kept this? Okay, let's go to the last one now. Question number 3. Question number 3 is this one. Say this. If here it is given, okay? If root 2 is an irrational number, full stop. It is given, okay? Then prove that 5 minus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. That's all. See, in this one, actually, this root 2 is given as a irrational, okay? We have to figure out this one as a irrational. It is a 2 marks question. So based on that one, only write the content. Don't write the whole process, okay? That contradiction method and all. Based on this 2 marks problem, how to figure out the answers. If you are getting confused, you can check my things and all, okay? Here we can do the approach here. What we can do, see, the pattern was what? Whatever the question was there, we used to take it as a rational number first, okay? So whatever the question, assume it first. Let 5 minus 2 root 2 as an rational, right? Rational number. So what we used to write? 5 minus 2 root 2 equal to what? P by Q, correct? Now check the thing. What is a trick here to get the answers? Here root 2 is given as a irrational, correct? It is given. It is fixed. We have to prove this one as a irrational. So what to do here? Whatever the question will come, first assume it as a rational. We did it now, which means P by Q, correct? And here is root 2 given is a irrational now. So root 2 as it is this side only, and the rest of the number that side. So how to do it? See, minus 2 root 2 and P by Q minus 5. Is it okay till here? Now keep the 2 that side. So what will come? Root 2 is equal to what? P by Q minus 5 and the whole divide by 1 by 2. Is it okay? And just shift the minus also that side. So root 2 here is minus 1 by 2 P by Q minus 5. Now check this. No need to go for the whole process, okay? Now here we are putting what? Here we are writing that it is already given. This is already given. What is that? It is an irrational number. And we are keeping equal to, which means whatever is this side, it is also a irrational only, na? Correct? But here we assumed what? We assumed as rational, but it is coming irrational. Check this again. Whatever the number will come, which mean here it is root 2 coming, that's why we kept root 2 here like this. Okay? And rest of the number that side, root 2 already is a irrational, and we are keeping equal to symbol, which means if this side is irrational, this side also irrational. So that's why the whole number become irrational. Okay? So therefore 5 minus 2 root 2 is an irrational number. That's it. No need to write the big process and all. It is a 2 marks problem. That's why this much of answer is okay. Okay. I hope this is clear now. Anyone? Anyone is having a doubt in this one? Just let me know. How to approach the question based on the given marks you have to figure out, okay? Check this out again. We'll wait for this one for 2 minutes. Check this out what to do here. Whatever the question is coming, first assume as a rational, and whatever the things will be given, keep it aside, and the rest of the number that side. Obviously, irrational it is given, so irrational is equal to irrational. That's it. That we need to do for every question, same pattern. Is it okay to understand? Jeevan, okay, please repeat. Fine. Okay, let me take another one then. Better. Okay, let me take another one. Okay, just let's take a fourth question like this. Suppose a question is given that given root 3 is an irrational number. It is given. Okay, prove that 5 minus 5 root 3 is an irrational now. Okay, our first approach was what? If root 3 is irrational, here is also irrational. Irrational into something which is multiplication. Obviously, it is irrational, right? We know this now, that irrational into irrational is what? Irrational, right? We can apply this one also, but you can do one thing more also for the better presentation of your answer, because this thing only you can't write, right? So you have to write something there. So what to do? What we did here, see, this part is given as a given, it is given here, we have to use this one given part. Okay, so whatever the question comes, first assume as a rational, which we do for every question. Okay, first assume it. Let assume 5 minus 5 root 3 as an rational number. Okay, here we assume as a rational number. Now see how we will prove as a irrational. See, so we will keep what? 5 by 5 root 3 is as a p by q. Okay, now question is given what? Root 3 is a irrational, it is given. Use this. Here is root 3. This root 3 keep it this side only, rest of the number that side. So what to do here? See, step by step. 5 root 3 and this 5 we are shifting this side now. So p by q minus 5 came here. First step. Okay, now this 5 will shift that side. So root 3 equal to what? 1 by 5 p by q minus 5. Is it okay? And here's negative, so just shift the negative also. Negative 1 by 5 p by q minus 5. Say this, what the case happened. Here root 3 was irrational given. We used this only. So what we did, we kept root 3 as it is separate when we know this is an irrational number. And here see this, we are keeping equal to symbol. Na? Irrational here, so this side also should be irrational only, which mean this whole part, which mean this complete part also become what? Irrational only. Na? We can't write rational equal to irrational, correct? It is not equal. Always rational equal to rational or irrational equal to irrational. This thing I hope this one you know, right? So that's why this was given irrational. It is given. Here it is given. So if this side is irrational, this side also becomes irrational. That's it. So just write the concluding statement. What is that? 5 minus 5 root 3 is an irrational number. That's it. I hope this is clear now. Is it clear? Is it clear? Like you can keep the message at least. Is it clear? Check again. I'm just keeping the page again. Check this. Just keeping this thing in mind that whatever the things will be given, okay, you have to make it separate like this. You have to make it separate. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, let's go to the last section, which is having again 3 questions, and then we are done for today. Okay. Section number C. It is of 3 marks. So content should be there at least 7 to 8 lines should be there minimum. Okay. Now let's begin with the first one, which is a very easy one, which you know already. Just figure out the answers. Prove that root 5 as an irrational number. Now, in this 3 marks problem, write the whole content which you do. Proper answer. Do it, everyone. Try this. I will also try. You will also try. First, what we used to do? First, we assume it. Let assume root 5 as an rational number. First step. Now, next, what we used to do? Root 5 equal to p by q, and where p and q are co-prime. Co-prime, you know na, Co-prime is what? Not having a common factor. Remember this. Okay, multiply this now. Root 5 into q is equal to p. This will come. Now square both sides. What will come? 5q square equal to p square. Just mention that also. Squaring. It is a 3 marks problem, so you have to mention everything. Squaring both sides. 5q square equal to p square will come. Correct? Now here we can say that p square is divisible by 5. Same pattern, p is divisible by 5. So what we got? We got the factor of p here. Okay, p factor what we got? 5. If the same number we will get for the q also, then our contradiction will be wrong. Our assumption will be wrong. Now let's do the same thing. Now therefore, at the p place, what will keep? 5c. According to question, you have to keep. Here is root 5, so 5c. Suppose it is root 3, so you'll keep 3c there. Okay, this thing you know, right? Now 5c. So let me write first. P place, right? Put that p place. So 5c whole square. Now do the square. 5q square equal to 25c square. And after figuring out, it will come like this. 5c square. Now here we can also write what? Q square is divisible by 5. Same thing, q is divisible by. Now check this out, everyone. P is also having a factor 5, and same number is also having q also. Correct? Which means we got the common factor. Here what we assume? We assume that it is a co-prime. Co-prime stands for which is not having a common factor. But here we got the common factor. What is the common factor? 5. So therefore P and Q are having, maybe by due to my camera and all it will not visible, but better you write your own. Okay, P and Q are having a common factor. What is that? Common factor 5. Next what you write, you know the steps and all. Okay, so here I'm writing, let me write here. Our, what we said, these are the same lines which we follow for every question, right? Assumption is, our assumption is wrong, therefore root 5 is is an irrational number. I hope this is clear. Same pattern will be followed for every questions. Same pattern. Okay, is it clear, everyone? 3 marks problem. Okay, co-prime number, fine. Okay, at least let's take a break for this co-prime and all, then we'll figure out the second question. Okay, those who want to copy this one, you can copy it. Okay, you can stop the video and copy it. We have to figure out the co-prime. Okay, say this. Those who are confused in co-prime numbers. Co-prime number stands for, say this. The number, let me write the statement also. The numbers, okay, which is not having common factor except one. Okay, except one, because one will be the number which is with every numbers, right? That's why. Suppose the number is 2 and 5. Okay, write the factor. 1 will come, 2 can divide. Here also 1 can divide, this one 5 can divide. Except 1, leave this 1 and all. Okay, because 1 will come with every number. Do we have any common factor here? Here is 2, any 2 is there? No. Here is 5, any 5 is there? No. There is no any common factor, so it is a co-prime number. And which is not, say this, 6 and 10. Suppose we have a number. Okay, write the factor. 1 can divide, 2 can divide, and 3 can divide, and 6 can divide. Here 1 can divide, 2 can divide, 5 can divide, and 10 can divide. Except 1, cancel this, no need. Now check this, 2 here and 2 here. Do we have a common factor now? So if it is a common factor, it is not a co-prime. Is it clear now, everyone? How to figure out the co-prime which is not having a common factor? Is it okay? Aniket Kashyap, whoever is this? Prime and co-prime is not having any common relation. Okay, prime number is having what? Prime number stands for, it is having a 2 factor, which is what? It is divisible by 1 and itself. But the co-prime is like different thing. It is no relatable. Name is like same, but it is not relatable to each other. Okay, Aniket, shall we switch to second one now? Section C. Aniket Kashyap. Who is this Aniket Kashyap? Okay, next one. Next one we have question number 2. Okay, check this out, everyone. Find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96. Okay, but don't just do directly. Okay, things are given. Use the formula. Okay, that formula. Okay, first you figure out the HCF and LCM. Question is more in this one. Verify HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. First you do it separately, then you have to verify for this one. Okay, do it separately first. Find the HCF, then find the LCM, then verification. Do it properly, everyone. Do it properly. HCF and LCM first figure out. LCM will be, HCF will be 404, so we can do this by 2 table 101, and this will be 101. We can't divide, I think, so 101 as it is. Do the verification here, everyone. Do the verification. Find HCF and LCM first. I will also do, you will also do. 2 table here, 4 and 8. 24, this will be 12, this will be 6, and this will be 3, and 3 1. Anybody got the HCF and LCM value? Anyone? HCF and LCM value? Anybody got the values of this? HCF? Okay, LCM is 9696, HCF is 4. Okay, yeah, we can easily see here 2 is the pair here and 2 is again pair, so obviously 2 into 2 become 4. Okay, correct. Those who got the HCF 4, that is the correct one. Now figure out the LCM. So 4 not 4 comma 96, we can apply by 2 table. It is what? 202. This become what? 48. Again 2 table 1 not 1, and this become 24. Again 2 table 1 not 1 as it is, this become 12. Again 2 table 6 and 101 3, and the last will come, let it be. Yeah, so after the multiplication of all, which mean, let me write here, how many 2 we have here? 2 to the power 5 we have, into 101 into 3. Okay, let me multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16, 16 to the 32. Okay, after multiplication you will get 9696. Correct? Yeah, fine. So LCM SF we got it. Now do the verification here. Okay, don't leave your answer here itself, you have to verify. Check this, LHS is coming equal to RHS or not. Okay, so verification will be like this: HCF into LCM equal to product. Is it coming equal? LHS equal to RHS? Anyone checked it? Anyone verified the answers or not? Okay, let's do the verification. HCF value, as we know that it is 4, LCM is 9696 equal to product of number is what? 404 into 96. Now after multiplication you will get 38784, here also 38784. That's all. You will see here clearly LHS equal to RHS. Say this. So that is the only verification. Okay, LHS should be equal to RHS. Yeah, fine. Yeah, those were done. Good. Verified. These are the questions from the 3 marks and all. Okay. Actually, this problem came for 2018 in section C. This problem, very easy one, right? So like whatever chapters will be the easy one and all, let's do the practice in a way like minute problems and all you will not get. Yeah, let's go for the last one now. Then we'll be done. Question number 3. Last problem for today, everyone. This one, figure out. Prove that 2 plus root 3 divided by 5, okay, is an irrational number. Full stop. Check this out. Given that root 3 is an irrational number, maybe you will feel that this question and the question which we kept in section B, that was the similar. Yes, it is similar, but here you have to write the content. So figure out what you write the content, because it is of 3 marks, that was of 2 marks, but the question is same. Here what is given? Here it is given root 3 as a irrational. Okay, here we have a root 3. Use it out. Use this to get the answer. Root 3, keep it separate, then figure out. Okay, I will also start my answer, you also start. Here first what we'll do, first we'll assume, let assume 2 plus root 3 divided by 5 as an rational number. First step done. Now as per the discussion, we know that 2 plus root 3 divided by 5 is equal to what? P by Q. Is it okay? Now what to mention here? P and Q are co-prime. Mention this also, because we have a 3 mark problem. Huh? That's why you should just write the content properly. Don't write that much which you do. You can figure out answers like this. Next step we can do here. Root 3 is given as a irrational, root 3. So here is a root 3. Let me make it darker. Here is a root 3. So this one, keep it as it is, this side, rest of the part that side, step by step. Okay. Now do this. 2 plus root 3. Okay, this 5 will cross multiply. What will go? It will come like this. 5p by q. It will come like this. Okay. And the root 3 again. Now 2 this side. So 5p by q minus 2 will come. Is it okay? Now take the LCM that side. 5p minus 2q by this will come. Now check this out what we did. It was 2 divided by 1. So multiplication of denominator and cross multiplication we did. Let me take the different color. See here cross multiplication. So it came like this. Now as you know that, see, mention it. Root 3 is irrational number. Mention it. It is what it is given. So say this. If this is irrational, obviously we are putting equal to symbol, right? So obviously this had also become irrational only, na? So 5p minus 2q by q is also an irrational number, correct? So conclude your answer. Our assumption is wrong. What we assume in the beginning? In the beginning we assume as a rational number, na? Now assumption is wrong. Mention the last statement now. Our assumption is wrong. I'm writing this side, okay? Our assumption is wrong. So 2 plus root 3 divided by 5 is an irrational number. That's all. There is no that much of difference between the 2 marks problem and 3 marks problem, but still, see, we added something here, at least a theory part, which mean I think whatever things I'm taking it down now, that we kept as an extra. See this one also. These 4 lines we kept as an extra. In that 2 marks problem, if you see that nothing was there. Let me see. Let me show you that again. First, check it out. Here, see things which we kept as a tick mark. This thing we only added here for because it was of 3 marks problem. We have to write some content here. Correct now. Let me take to that page again. Yeah, say this now. Here what we did, here we did directly. Only this process over there. There is no any theory and all. Directly we kept as answer because it was of 2 marks problem. Okay. And in this 3 marks problem, question was same. Just we only kept what? This much of this content part. That is only a difference. This much of content part we have to mention it. So according to the marks and all, we have to react. Okay. So I hope this will be the beneficial video for you, because all the previous year papers are questions and all is discussed here. So let me stop sharing the screen. Is it helpful for you, everyone? Like, how was the class? Because we had covered up the 1 marks question, 2 marks question, and the 3 marks question. Real numbers come for 1 marks, 2 marks, and the 3 marks only. 5 marks, it never comes. Like, very rare, very rare. So better you focus for 1 marks, 2 marks, and 3 marks. So I hope it will be like helpful for you. And we will going to take the session for the other chapters like the same way. Okay. And by the PYQs only, you will get the practice of the concepts and all. So no need to go for the concept discussion and all. Okay. I hope it will be helpful for you, right? So let's conclude the class. Let's like maybe have some other work also. So let's better conclude it, and we'll meet later in the next session, which will be for tomorrow onwards. Again, 8 p.m. same time. Second chapter we'll discuss. Okay. So thank you all. Let's conclude it. Thank you. We are just ending, like stopping this live class and all. Yeah, yeah. Everyone, thank you, Jyotika and Bhavishya and all. Everybody, thank you for this. Okay, we are ending it. Okay, Jeevan, I will talk to you regarding this. Okay, you can leave the meeting and all.